my beauties, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a deep dive into one of the most transformative skincare treatments available to you. Oh, come on. You've gotta know what it is. It's the one thing I keep talking about all the time, microneedling. Hello. If you've been following my channel, you know I rave about microneedling. And despite all the skepticism and all the negative talk out there, microneedling still is a powerhouse for skin rejuvenation. So let's explore in this video why this treatment's so beneficial and how we can make remarkable changes to our own skins. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. So remember, we call microneedling collagen induction therapy, and that involves making tiny holes to the skin, tiny injuries, with a sterilized needle that gives us our skin a natural healing response. So it goes in and repairs that damage. Now, as a byproduct, when it's repairing that damage, it creates new collagen and elastin. And these are key proteins that keep your skin firm and smooth. And you want these key proteins. Why? Because they start to reduce as we age. In fact, every decade, you're losing about 50% of the collagen that your body is producing, right? That's huge. So it just keeps going down. This procedure itself is really not super invasive. Okay, it's minimally invasive and can be performed anywhere on the body. Well, almost anywhere on the body. Definitely your face, your neck, your stomach, your legs, your bum. Right? So what are some of the benefits of microneedling? And when I say microneedling, I mean your regular 4-week intervals, spaced apart microneedling treatment that is going to help repair and reverse the damage on your skin. So what are some of the benefits of that? Well, your collagen and elastin production goes way up. This is the biggest benefit of microneedling, is it stimulates collagen and elastin production in your skin. And these proteins are so crucial for maintaining skin firmness, maintaining elasticity, for helping reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even scarring, right? Can all be helped with microneedling. So that's definitely one of the biggest benefits, and one reason why a lot of people like to microneedle, and the main reason why I like to microneedle every 4 weeks, right? Because I am just, as I age, my collagen goes down, but believe it or not, when you microneedle, your collagen goes up by 300 to 600%. That's huge. That is like increasing it to more than it should have been, to where it should have been in the first place when you were younger. And that's kind of the reason why we do it. It's not like you're increasing your collagen. It's like, oh, I'm just giving a boost to my collagen temporarily. It like increases your collagen for several months, believe it or not. It does go down and down, but it increases it for several months. This is so key. This is why microneedling is one of the best treatments for, I should say, there are other treatments that do that, but they don't do it where they're more invasive. You have more downtime with them. They're more expensive. Like this is a treatment that's low cost. It can be done at home. It's pretty simple, and it gives you all of these benefits. So I've heard lots of people talk about, oh, anyone can microneedle. Yeah, anyone can microneedle. That's the whole point. That's why, right? People aren't going around screaming about microneedling because it's super easy to do, right? And this day and age, people want to make a profit. That's why they do things, to make a profit. And so telling you about microneedling when you can just do it at home is not going to help them sell those products that they want to sell. So, you know, people don't talk about it unless they're really into helping you figure out ways to improve your skin without making money, without having to spend a bunch of money. Then they might talk about it. Improved skin texture and tone is another thing that microneedling will do. Regular microneedling sessions can really enhance your skin texture and tone by reducing scars, reducing stretch marks, large pores, and really just kind of evening out your skin overall. It also tightens your skin, which is super beneficial. So one of the things that microneedling does is it destroys those it breaks down the collagen bundles. And when it breaks down the collagen bundles and they release that collagen and elastin, they start to reform and restructure. And that's one of the biggest things that microneedling does, is it restructures those collagen bundles in the dermis of your skin. The reorganization of collagen fibers and the formation of new capillaries, okay, that kind of structure in when your skin starts to form those, that's what actually leads to that noticeable tightening of skin. Okay. And this is what gives it a more youthful appearance. But in order to get that collagen formation to happen, you have to be needling just a little bit deeper. Okay. You can't be sticking around at the 0.5s, right? You got to be getting that 0.75, that 1 millimeter, that 1.25. You need to be getting a little bit deeper, because that's going to really help the reorganization of those collagen fibers. And that's what's going to lead to that tighter skin. Did you hear that? Mic drop. Did you hear that? Right? If you want tighter skin, you need to be needling a little bit deeper, because that's going to help you form those new collagen structures. What else? Enhanced product penetration, right? When you needle, right, the products that you use after needling and during needling and before needling, as you're needling, it's going to make those products go in deeper. And so you got to try to use really clean ingredients, things with not a lot of preservatives. You definitely want some hyaluronic acid, but you know, there are other things you can needle in. There's been lots of studies, and they've needled in vitamin A, they've needled in vitamin C. They have put on vitamin A and vitamin C the next day. They've put on vitamin A and vitamin C 2 days later, right? 3 days later. So there's been all kinds of studies done, and what they have found is that, you know, vitamin C definitely increases collagen, right, in your skin. So does hyaluronic acid. So it wasn't really seen to have much of a difference. Vitamin C was a little bit more effective than the hyaluronic acid on the boost of collagen production in the skin post microneedling, but so were peptides. So things like matrixyl and peptide blends were also super beneficial in increasing collagen as well. It really is safe for most skin types, right? If you have like highly pigmented skin, you're not gonna want to do like laser treatments, right? Because people with darker skin tones can have post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from lasers. But you really don't get a lot of, I mean, most people don't get post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation from microneedling. Some people do. It kind of depends on your skin. If you're really prone to it, you may develop it. Usually estheticians can prescribe a hydroquinone, right? And it goes away within a few days, and some vitamin C, and it goes away within a few days. It's really safe for all skin types. It doesn't cause any of the damage that things like lasers do. So, but it is always important to go a little bit deeper with microneedling to really make changes to the skin. And I hate to like, so this is a double-edged sword, because I don't want to encourage people to go deeper and then them have problems with it. Because if you're not sanitary and you're going deeper, it can really cause, it can be worse for your skin. I wouldn't even, if you're not going to stay sanitary, you're not going to use gloves. You're not going to make sure you clean your stuff with alcohol. You're not going to wipe your skin with alcohol before you start. If you're not going to do all of those things, then don't microneedle at all. Just don't even bother. Because you have to have that. But if you do want to make significant changes, you're going to have to go more towards that 0.75, 1 millimeter, 1.25 millimeter. These depths are much more effective in reaching the dermis, right? Where the collagen and elastin production occurs. And that's where those collagen structures begin to reform. That's where you're going to get most of your damage reversal done. That's where you're going to really also get huge boosts in collagen and elastin production. So this will lead to more pronounced improvements in skin texture and firmness. And I know that there are people out there like Dr. Lance Sutterfield who say, no, you know, just cosmetically needle. I absolutely, just after reading all of the science and all of the literature, I just don't agree. Right? I believe that deeper needling is actually what causes the most changes in the skin. And listen, I am a byproduct. People ask, I swear, I just saw a student the other day. So I think you guys know this. I'm a district administrator, and I train teachers. We were having a training last week, and I ran into one of my old students. He did not recognize me at all. He said I looked younger than he remembers me looking back then. Total shocker, right? Because it's true, my skin's much more even. I don't have near the fine lines and problem, even that I had in my 30s. Like, this student knew me in my 30s. Like, that's huge. I do 100% believe that this is the fountain of youth. Like, if you can do it, I would do it. Not everybody can do it, and that's okay. You don't have to. There are other things that you can use, but I do 100% stand behind microneedling. I think it's amazing. And how often should you do it? You should do it once a month. Okay. You're going to start seeing changes after about 3 to 4 sessions. Okay. And definitely huge changes after 6 sessions. So 6 months down the line, you're going to see massive return on your investment. And it's not much of an investment. When I show you the tools that you need, it's not much of an investment. Regular monthly microneedling can increase your dermal thickness, your epidermal thickness, which is super important. The problems that people run into where, you know, they have thinner skin and everything is kind of sagging and, you know, their skin's kind of translucent. And you can just tell they just look older. You know, like when you see someone in their 70s, right? Their skin's like practically translucent, right? It's because it's gotten so thin, right? And one of the things that microneedling does is it does increase the thickness of your skin, your actual epidermis. And this contributes to a more youthful appearance over time, right? It's thicker, it's tighter. And I don't mean thickness of just the epidermis, because you can actually damage it from the sun and it can cause your epidermis to become super thick. And that's bad. That looks rough. It looks like you have sun damage. You can tell that is it's almost like the cells kind of grow and divide and they just don't look right. And that's different than increasing your dermal thickness. Regular microneedling can do all of that. It also, studies have shown that when you microneedle regularly, this is very exciting because we're just now starting to learn more about regular microneedling and how it impacts people long-term who do it a lot. Okay, this has not been studied before. Remember, we are only in the beginning of some of these studies, guys. We are finding out so much every day. That's why I love doing this research and coming back to you with all of this information so that you can make positive changes in your own skin and in your own health, because we are learning a lot. And what we've learned is that studies have shown that microneedling actually increases collagen and elastin gene expression. That's huge. Remember epigenetics? Remember, I think I've talked to you about epigenetics, right? So what happens is it actually over time increases your collagen and elastin gene expression so that your skin automatically has that more youthful, it produces collagen more readily, it produces elastin more readily because you have that gene expression turned on, which reverses your aging more quickly. So when you use a product that has, you know, that boosts your collagen, your expression, that how quick your body does that's going to be so much more fast. It's going to be faster than the person who doesn't regularly microneedle. Does that make sense? And that's really what that's saying, is that it's really going to make sure that you have that turned on so that your collagen then kind of amps up and stays almost amped up after several microneedling sessions. And this is what the evidence does show us, is that when you do 3, 4, 5 sessions in a row, that collagen boost stays for a longer time. So instead of depleting after 3 months, it might go to 6 months before it starts depleting again. And then when you needle again, it ramps it up quicker. So, and it's almost an automatic response because you've turned on that gene expression. So that's kind of the goal, the idea, right? And that's why I want to tell you, like, a lot of people just do 1 treatment and they stop, 2 treatments and they stop. It's like, oh, I started microneedling, I did that once, and then now I'm going to do it like next year. Don't do that. You 6, 8 treatments in a row, okay? Do it for months. Do it for a whole year. Do 12 treatments in a row. Like, stop stopping, okay? I can't even explain how important this is, because the more that you do it, the more you're gonna ramp that up. So microneedling is such a powerful tool in your skin arsenal. And I wanna show you some of my favorite microneedling tools. You know, I love my Dr. Pen. Okay, this is the A6S, and it's an older pen. Still one of my favorites, but I do have other pens. I have newer pens. I'm going to purchase. I'm gonna have to purchase the new pen because it's pretty amazing. And then of course, the stamper, which I absolutely love too. The stamper is amazing, and it's super easy, especially if you struggle with the pen and you don't know about the pen and you're like, oh, I just don't know if I'm holding this right. I don't know if I'm doing this right. The stamper, and the stamper's cheap, right? And you can do this for about 10, you can use this for about 10 uses, okay? So 16, I think it's like, no, maybe $20 divided by 10, was that $2? $2 a use. I mean, it's a cup of coffee. It's actually less than a cup of coffee, because I think now cups of coffee are like $20 or something. So it's super cheap, and you use it 10 times. Make sure you clean it with alcohol each time, and I mean, it's easy. It's so easy. But I think the pen is easy too. Once you get the hang of it, it's so much easier to hold. So remember that if you are serious, if you really want to improve your skin appearance, this treatment should be at the top of your list, okay? It should be something that you are just ready to do each month. But consistency is the key. You have to be doing it. More than one treatment will not do anything for you. Okay, 1 treatment, 2 treatments, 3 treatments a year are not going to do anything for you. You're going to need to be consistent. You're going to need to have regular sessions, and you are going to be amazed at the kind of transformation that you can make from this. So thank you for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment in the comment box. Are you needling? Do you want a needle? Am I helping you, pushing you to want a needle? And I will see you next time on Glow with Shelly.